Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining measurable goals so you know what success looks like. This saves rework later. Install Node.js and the Lighthouse CLI, or enable the Lighthouse extension in Chrome so you can run audits immediately. Initialize a repo, add a minimal HTML shell, and commit initial content. Once done, run a quick Lighthouse audit to capture baseline scores and identify the first gaps to target. Now focus on the middle work. Optimize assets and restructure loading. Convert images to efficient formats, serve responsive sizes, and apply lazy loading so the main thread is lighter. Move critical CSS inline and defer non-essential JavaScript while breaking large bundles into smaller chunks. Simultaneously address accessibility. Add semantic landmarks, proper form labels, and ensure color contrast meets guidelines. Once these changes are implemented, rerun Lighthouse to measure incremental gain. Finish by running comprehensive Lighthouse audits on mobile and desktop and comparing results to your baseline so you know what's left. Deploy the optimized build and add Lighthouse or CI checks to catch regressions automatically. If scores linger, capture a DevTools performance trace and inspect long tasks and layout shifts. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the slow path with throttling and isolate heavy scripts or large paints. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.